Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're on the hunt for a makeup remover that will actually remove all your makeup, I found this amazing product from Palmer's Cocoa Butter, and it's the Skin Therapy Cleansing Oil. It has vitamin E in it, and it seriously removes every stitch of makeup, including waterproof, which, as you know, can be such a challenge. So it has a really oily consistency, so it not only removes your makeup, but it also leaves your skin feeling very hydrated. I use this every night before bed, and it just gives my skin a nice, glowy, dewy feel. One pump is plenty. You almost don't even need a full pump. I have 3 different eyeliners on my hand, and check out just how well it takes it off. These are all different formulas. It has a bit of a rose scent to it, I feel. It comes in a nice pump bottle too. If you're looking to step up your nighttime routine, make sure that all of your makeup is removed, definitely check out this cleansing oil, and that's my point of view.